Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the annoying app not installed error on any Android phone. Whether you are installing from the Play Store or using an APK, these tips will help. Let's begin. First, make sure your phone has enough free storage. Go to Settings, scroll down and find this option called Device Care and tap on it. Go to Storage. And here, free up space by deleting unused apps or large files if needed. Second, make sure the APK is compatible. If you're installing an APK manually, make sure it's built for your Android version. It's not a corrupt or incomplete file, and it's not trying to overwrite a system app without permission. If installing outside the Play Store, go to Settings, scroll down and find this option called Security and Privacy. Again, scroll down, tap on More Security Settings. Go down and tap Install Unknown Apps. Choose the browser or file manager that you are using and toggle on the button and enable Allow from this source. Also, sometimes a simple restart clears up installation conflicts and lets the app install normally. And if you're updating an app manually, uninstall the older version first. Conflicts between versions can cause this error. Also, consider updating your entire Android system. For that, go to Settings, scroll down and tap on this option called Software Update and tap Download and Install. New system updates may fix installation issues. If you're using an SD card, try moving the APK or app to internal storage before installing. Some apps don't install properly on SD cards. And that's it. Try these steps and you should be able to fix the app not installed error easily. If this video helped, give it a like, subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.